Welcome to BOC, the UK and Ireland's largest supplier of industrial gas. We are proud to offer our customers a one-stop solution for all their gas supplies and equipment needs. Flashback arrestors are vital when it comes to keeping both you and your equipment safe, and they are also a legal requirement. We're delighted to offer a number of class-leading British design and manufactured products from Ryval, which all offer outstanding quality and reliability. And this Ryval flashback arrestor is a key device for safe, trouble-free welding and cutting. In the event of a flashback, the arrestor prevents the flame or reverse flow of gas back into the pipeline and provides vital safety for the user during welding, as well as any costly damage to the equipment. This particular flashback arrestor has the additional feature of a pressure-sensitive cut-off valve for added assurance. All Ryval flashback arrestors are approved to British standard EN 7301, so you can have peace of mind that they meet the latest safety standards and will provide complete protection for both you and your equipment. Buy your Ryval flashback arrestor at the BOC online shop. You'll find plenty of expert advice and thousands of other products all in one place. Simple, fast, direct to you. Thanks for watching.